everyone, I hope you're all doing great, and in today's video I want to share with you my earning proof on working on UHRS through Appen as a judge working on it. So let's just say I'm very impressed on how much I am making on this platform, and it has only been my first few weeks. So let's go straight to the website and talk you through it. So this is a UHRS desktop, so I'm just gonna sign in. So I'm just putting my email address. If you have not already have the Microsoft email address, you need to have one. Okay, they're gonna send me a code. It's fine. You can skip this step because I didn't know. Maybe I didn't sign up for too long. Let me just go to my email. They'll probably send me the code over there. You can skip this part if you want. Okay, I'm just gonna put the code over here. I'm just going to sign it. So this, guys, is the user interface of the UHRS. This is the marketplace. You've got your UHRS over here. You've got marketplace, you've got report and frequent asked questions, and here you've got maybe providing the feedbacks, notification, and your profile. Show the profile panel. So it's like this. That's the profile panel, and as you can see, this is how many hits up they have. 8. Sometimes they can be more, it depends. Since last week it has been very slow, and if there is a new hit, it will show here: recently worked, bookmarked, hidden. If you want to hide something, I was working on one of the hip. I failed the qualification, but they broke me, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna hide this thing here. I don't know why they broke me. Yeah, this is what happens when you're working through UHRS. Sometimes you can get blocked, but I don't know, because I've never worked in there. I was just doing the qualification, so I don't know why they broke me over there. So you've got search relevance, text annotation, others. So it includes ad hoc data collection tasks, information collection or modulation, and surveys. And you've got here image annotation, video annotation, speech transcription, and product testing. So there's no job for this 4 categories here, but I was working through product testing. They had like 3 or 4 projects, maybe, I don't know. Hits, I don't know, maybe they are finished, because they say they normally upload it multiple times per week. So I'm not sure what happened. So I'll just go straight to my report and show you how much I am earning. So the total judgment, this is per day, so I'm just gonna select the dates here by range. I'll say all time how much I've done. So I've done 1492 judgment. This is what I've done. So with UHRS, I'm a judge. I'm judging some hit ups that the company they're giving out to you. So yeah, that's why they're saying judgments. Yeah, so because you're acting as a judge walking through this platform. So you've got this time spent. I've spent 37 hours and 11 minutes. So I'm gonna show you the total earning. I have made this much, $171.70. That's what I made. And on here, that was my highest earning so far. Per day it was $33.92. So the hit up I've done, as you can see, these are how all hit ups I've done. Like I said, the one hit that made me a lot of money was the Bug Hunter extension for English Great Britain, but They are saying they will be uploading multiple times per week, so I just don't understand why. Like last week there was nothing on this heat up. So I've made from this particular eat for a week, I've made $121.60, and the other one was the mobile app scenario. I made $23.65. Another one, $21. That is generic scenario testing. So all this were like the product testing. As you can, they've shown you there's nothing for now so far. Since last week it's been quiet, so hopefully by the coming Monday everything will go back to normal and I'll be having more heat up. So there you go, guys. I was like at first when I'm working through this as a judge through Appen platform, so there is a specific project from Appen that is connecting me with UHRS. So I've talked about Appen in my other videos. If you wanna go there and check how you can apply, because they've got a lot of opportunity for people, like for example students, stay-at-home parents, or even if you're working your full-time job and you want to earn some extra money, you can do this kind of work as well. So there you go, guys. This is what I made so far. Hopefully I'll get more heat up yeah, like I said, next week hopefully. And yeah, there you go, guys. If you're interested, please you can leave me some if you want more qualification for you want to know more how to join, or like yeah, anything else, like I don't know what to say, but I'm just saying, if you want more information or you've got any question, just leave me your question in your comment section, and sometimes you can even tell me your experiences working with UHRS. If you if you're working, if you've maybe worked with them in the past, or if you're still working with them, just let me know. How is it going? The tips and tricks, you can just share it, so and everybody else can see. That will be grateful as well. So there you go, guys. I'm just gonna go back to Marketplace, and I just want to say thank you thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, so YouTube push through my videos to other people. I don't know why it's taking too long. Oh, Marketplace, sorry. Yeah, the YouTube push through my videos to other people, and you can share it, and please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget sorry, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you have any question, like I said, please leave me a message on the comment section, and I'll answer your questions. And that's it for now. Thank you and goodbye.